Hello peeps, my name's Dan and here you are in Essex, and the main purpose of my channel is to show you how to grow your own fruit and vegetables no matter what size garden, allotment or growing space you do indeed have. So today I'm going to be showing you a persimmon tree. Now I don't know what variety this is, I've featured it on my channel before, but I would imagine it is Fuyu, okay, which is a non-astringent variety of persimmon. Persimmon, otherwise known as Sharon fruit, and it's a very tasty fruit. It's a good exotic to grow in a climate such as the UK because it is hardy. So if you're looking for a hardy exotic, this could be the one for you. So I've known of this tree now for about 4 to 5 years. It's been outside the whole time. It's growing in the open ground, and we had the beast from the east a few years ago where the temperature went down to about -10 to -15 degrees C, and it survived that without any problems outside. So there we go. Now what we're going to do is just have a look at the tree. So you can see it's a fair size. I would estimate it's about 15 feet tall. Now I don't know how old it is, but certainly established, and you can see the lovely crop it's carrying. So it's probably got about 30 persimmons on there, okay, and you can see the sheer volume of them. And you look at the ground, look, you can see the lovely leaves there. A few weeks ago they had a real nice orangey sort of tinge to them, so very ornamental. And one good thing about persimmons is they hang on the tree into the winter period in order to ripen, so they've got an ornamental benefit to them as well. So we'll have a nice close-up of some of them here, so you can see they really do look beautiful indeed. I'm going to pick this one. Just get that off, hang on. So we'll have a look at it, there we go. Now it's very sweet, nice to taste. So persimmons benefit from a warm location, for example a south-facing wall or fence. Now here in the southeast of the UK we do get some of the most favourable weather conditions in the UK for fruits such as this. That includes grapes, figs, etc. So if you're living further north, maybe in the Midlands, Wales, Scotland for example, I still would not let that put me off if I wish to own one of these. So you could consider growing one in a cold greenhouse. By cold greenhouse I mean unheated during the winter months. As I stated earlier, south-facing wall or fence for the microclimate. And these do benefit from a long growing season, a long ripening season. So if you think now we are into November, but yet the majority of these are not ripe yet. So the longer the summer lasts, the better. But you can extend that with a microclimate by utilising polytunnel greenhouse, south-facing wall or fence, etc. Okay, there we go. If you like my work, please feel free to like, share and subscribe. You can check me out on Dan_Home Gardens on Instagram if you're interested, and I'll link some other videos of this tree down below if you would like to see them. Thanks for viewing. See you next time.